crazy view.
Check it out.
Yeah. A few, yeah.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Alright, today Father's Day. Out in the park with the family, you know. Yeah man, see it there? See, best. I'm a Jamaican color, you know. With the printing and them thing there. So she met the finish and the kids this morning. Gorgeous, eh? Alright. I see them gone down just left me. They say me come out, come for a little walk with the kids them cause them always want out, you know. And to a summer now, we just let them enjoy themselves as well. And say them want to go to the playground, so bring them to the playground. Oh my gosh, Panko. Park full of crew today. Watch out. Like them have one festival. So we're not invited.
Can I be the videographer?
No, I'm videoing today. Because you're videoing grass and the ground and everything. Oh darling, you're so beautiful. Let's go.
Oh, look at how Naomi's. Look at how Naomi's. I'm going to that long one over there. Huh? We're going to that long one over there.
Where we are got the kiddies thing, the ice slide?
No, the long one.
You know the one by the slide where we went and you went on them little thing like.
Yes, over there.
Not that one is the swim one. We're going to the one where you can do on the slide and them stuff.
The long slide.
Yeah, the one all the way over there. So
Ah.
you remember that one?
Oh yeah, I really like that one. That's the one with the thing. There's a big slide, crazy looking swing.
Oh, that is nice. Bird up in that tree there. I think the park would have been more busier than this today. Right there, right there. So. Booby, be careful.
I can hear the noise.
Yeah, be careful. Alright, let's go. You know, see, say one festival that going over here?
Where?
Blackbird. You know, look and crow. So we never know about this. They are doing stuff secretly. They are secret
I want to talk.
secret festival.
It's the annual Blackbird Festival. They're party 25. And they're partying.
And the fathers
go
have gathered
party.
around.
Oh yeah, the Father's Day. The Blackbird. Oh yeah, the Blackbird Father's Day Festival. They just group just right there.
Let's go.
All the fathers have grouped together. And saying, look, there's their daughters over there. And look.
They said today that'll be more busy.
Some people, you know,
That's just one.
indoor, some people restaurants.
Mama, why can't
The doggy.
That's what the dog story. Oh yeah.
Ruby, you still want us to get a dog?
Yeah. I want us to get a dog. I want please. I like a dog.
And a cat.
Yeah, dog and a cat.
And put it where?
We can get a cage and put it in. And then when we want to walk it, we can let people walk it with the spoon.
I don't want no animal to live in cage.
We can walk it. Yeah, let's not keep it in a cage. No, just square a regular cage. Like the square thingy with some lines from the animal and have a lock so animals can't get out. Hey! Daddy is a vlogger. Probably like this mine. So we get a mine to get some trees.
Go and cross down this one.
Let's push.
We cross at the end.
Get some wood. Ow. But that's where Mommy, that's where our friend was. That's the place. That's it. That is Josie. Yeah, it's an Oscar. That was Josie. But Josie's not there.
Walking on the dirt. We can walk over
If
here.
you
So.
see, she's not there.
Walk on the grass.
Ah, the family. Mommy, look how much we walk. The legs are even hard. There's no leg hard. That's a perfect tree for climbing, but there's dead parts. Oh no. I love
Wait. Wait.
Oh, bubbles down time.
Come on the right side.
Aragos.
Come on, look where you're going. Go this way.
We're going down there.
Remember there's a tree down there?
Whoa, there's a pond. There's a pond down there.
We're not going down there.
Come,
We
guys.
went down.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Cross the road.
Mum, we went down there with them. We did not see a pond. That was good. That was.
Now go over the one already. Huh? What happened?
Daddy, I got flower. You like my flower? Does your leg hurt? There is, you can see. Yeah, we find it. The people are waiting. And yeah, Mom, you don't sit down. And you don't sit down. Let's go to the main.
Wait. Wait. Come.
Can we go on this?
Bring the kids them and come play, you know? Huh?
Put the camera inside.
Huh?
Inside that thing.
Wow. What do?
Like, we can camera what's in the
Mommy, don't
slide.
play.
Can I do it?
Don't play the guys.
Okay. I'll do it. Gonna do it. So let's see.
Remember, don't. Wait.
This is the slide. We're here. No way, and then we're going down. This is a creepy. This won't be pretty. Oh, stop it!
You just do it. Go on, Booby, slide. Woo!
Don't play. Don't play with the guys.
Come on, baby, go. Come on, Mama. Slide. Woo.
Daddy, this is windy. Daddy, can you kindly help me get into that swing?
All of these, they use from old tires to make this so nice. Soft and nice. Very nice feel.
See, I need some help, please.
You have to go over inside and put your 2 foot through. Put 1 foot over.
You're the baby slide.
You have to put your 2 foot through. You need to sit.
Do you want to go in here, Bobby?
Your foot need to go through them 2 bits.
Daddy, can Bobby go in here? I'll protect her and I'll go slow.
Can you fit, Papa? I guess you're too big for that, Papa.
Oh.
You're too big for that.
Go on this. Papa, why don't you? I go in this. Papa, why don't I go?
Just go on that.
Huh?
Go on the one with Kasani upon.
Bobby, you
And
can go.
Kasani can come on top.
Hey, I'm scared. I'm a chicken.
Let Papa go down there, so. And you come up.
Here. Daddy, I'm scared. Papa.
Come up here, so.
Can you rock it slowly?
I'm not. Why would I rock it hard? Come up.
Yeah, yes, I'm at the back, so I need to hold on.
Come up.
I thought that was Bobby.
Come up.
Inside.
Yeah. And sit.
No, I'm scared. Scared.
Scared for what?
You're doing it hard. Can you do it?
I'm not gonna do it hard. I'm gonna rock it for you. Just step inside.
Okay. Okay, so stop being a chicken. Okay. Why is it made like that?
Papa, hold on here.
Why is it made like that? That's weird. Okay.
Let me push
No,
it.
I'll do it. No, you don't. I'm scared.
Listen, nothing gonna happen to you. It's not gonna break or anything.
Is this enough? I'm still scared. Are you okay? Stop it, please. Please, I want to care. No! Why?
What's going on?
I can't come out.
You can't come out. Hold on to the top bit up there. And pull yourself up.
I think I'm gonna stay here all night. No! Okay, I won't go. Hot look. I'll boost you. Okay.
Hold on to the top bit, Kasani.
Hold on to...
I slide through one side.
No.
Put your 2 legs through one side and come out.
Daddy, I'll take the cover. You can help her.
She can. Bring your next leg through one side.
So why did you get in?
Hold on, okay? No, I'm not doing it fast, Mama. You want to come on?
I can grab the bad thing. That's it.
1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you walk on this one? What is that? Who's that?
Huh?
Who's screaming?
That's the boy there is called.
When you come back, just step down. When it come back,
I want to do it again.
you go now. If you swing your leg, it will make you go.
I love. Oh, I'm a bit so short.
The last time we came here, was there a rope or something on it to pull it? Remember? I think there was something to pull it back.
Yeah, but I need some help. Yeah, I love zip lines. You can use it to get 3, 2,
Go.
go. Okay. Look.
Hold on properly.
Okay.
Alright, go.
Zip line. Do you want me to catch you? No. Are you a big girl? And then we can do the swing then. I want to stay on here day and night and I can swim. Where's my dragon?
Hold this thing, Papa.
Go. 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 Whip it up! Put on my bag.
You wanna put on your bag?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama. Come. Push your hand in.
Daddy, Mommy's on the flight.
Hmm? Wait.
I'm really fast. Now stop me. Someone stop me.
Person, be careful, man. You push it. Let him sit inside. You go inside.
No.
You need to sit inside. Okay.
Whoa! Daddy, I can really handle this. Daddy, I can handle this. I can handle it. No, but I'm going to have to do this.
Oh, gosh.
I am a camel puppy. Mommy, look, this is how I swim. Hey. Mom, I can go faster and higher.
Mommy, stop first. Wait.
I can put go in, Papa. Go in the floor. So that's not
Ruby, be careful, darling.
Look. Stop.
Be careful, Mama.
Mama, be careful.
This thing nice, you know.
Hey.
Oh, it goes
Ruby, be careful. You know this thing nice. Let me have to set up something like this.
This way.
Yeah, this one. It's very nice.
Don't take up the bag.
It's very nice, eh, Papa? Huh?
yes, so nice.
Another swing check, Ev.
Yeah. You should get one.
And I don't even know I'm on a swing. Oh, this is
This is very nice. Nice Father's Day. Father's Day out.
Ah, sweet.
It's very nice.
What minute? Minute still have us.
I think so. Oh gosh.
Where she go? So she was packing the corner there.
Oh,
She was going to Virgin Go.
we park right there at the tree. This is very nice. Nice, relaxing. Nice and relaxing, you know. I'm gonna have to set up something like this in my house. Put a motor on it and make it go and rock me, you know. Spin. You have something going back and forth. Hello, darling.
We didn't see the piggy at the front.
It's so nice. Hello, Bobby. Wanna come up? So nice, darling. You like it?
Yeah,
You like it, baby?
yeah.
Well, stop moving now, Bobby. Stop moving.
That's,
It's very nice.
yeah.
So mommy over there saw swim.
That is so
Sweet. When you swing it, come like I said, this what I swing too. When I swing it like it's like this, I swing. Yeah, give me a little swing. Yeah. No, not too much.
No, I want to get off.
You want to get off?
Yes, let me get off.
Sit down. Bobby want to come out. Get Bobby. Bobby get scared. It feel
I
weird.
get scared.
Weird. Even me as well. Because you haven't done that for so long.
It's because I lied
You know
on.
when we went onto the racing thing, and I put the helmet on, so I feel like I felt so claustrophobic.
I driving.
Remember when we went to the racing thing?
Daddy,
Yeah.
can we go on the zip line again?
What happened, Mama?
Tired.
I'm not big fan of anything like these that move.
Get off.
Let me see.
Get off the flame. You can't get on my
Where is it? Okay, so where's your bag?
Yeah.
Where's it? What's it like?
No.
Why?
Because we need to get off the ground.
What happened?
And then we
Go back home now.
and now I'll do
From the
my
park.
blowing. Wanna hold it? Bubby, what will we fix it? Daddy, let me see what's on the screen. I will help you. Daddy, can I hold it? We're nearly there. There's a few more steps, okay? Daddy, why not? Daddy, why not? Why are you always in the video? Let's go to